Hi guys, we're in the Biltmore house. Ito kaning balaya guys. Very largest house in America. Sige nga guys. Ang Kimbalaya guys, kay mura siyang mall. Ang elevator sa sulong. It's close. Push the exit. Monoramid na sa ano guys, sa garden. Nagana guys, oh balay na guys. Pinakadato sa USA. Pero patay na siya guys. The Biltmore. Kaya ang view there guys, oh. Basta kusuga sa hangin guys. Muni ang likod sa balay guys, sa Biltmore in Asheville. Kamuritsing man niya akong buhok. Sini kaya bring guys. Let's see. My hair is blow with the wind. Awang overlooking guys. Arang balay guys. So muna ilang overlook. Grabe ka kusog sa hangin guys. Malit. Nice place in Biltmore land. So we going guys the greenhouse for all of the flowers.
Please come in.
Open, please come in. Yeah. Look guys, there's a lot of flowers. Wow, amazing. Look, touch, look, climb, enjoy. Don't climb. So, ang ganda. Ganda ng mga laklak guys. Oh, wow. Gumamela is so nice.
Don't touch.
Ay! Don't touch. So nice.
How small the leaves are on this?
Amazing. You can sit here.
You didn't know this was inside, did you?
No. Look like only a house. Ooh, beautiful. Damo guys. Kada ko sa kaang guys. Ako isa dito guys oh. Di pang nakuha guys. Dagkoking kaang. Wala nga kaang. Kartin nakuha guys. Muna ang likod sa balay guys o sa Biltmore house. So kini nga balay guys is debuilt at 1888. It built in 1888 and have nasa guys sa 137 years nga balay. So ano na yung tourist house, tourist food diri sa Asheville guys sa North Carolina. Nawag nga si Oscar guys, na-isda dito guys. Isda. What? Do you have a fish? You have a fish?